How do you view a file's versions inside SciNote? If you're using the Validated or Platinum SciNote plan, you can easily view the version history of a file attached to a step, results, or inventory item. This feature helps you track changes and restore previous versions when needed. You can access a file's version history in two ways, directly from the file or through the audit trail. Let's begin by exploring how to access a version's history directly from the file. Start by navigating to the file that we want to review. Click on the three dots on the file attachment. In the drop-down, select Version History. Here it will show the number of versions that have been created from this file. You can click on the file name or on the download icon to view that version. If you want to restore it back to a previous version, click on the Restore icon. To view the file history from the audit trail, let's start by accessing the audit trail for the team. Find the record associated with the file and look for the entries where the action says Record Updated. We're going to click on Expand. The record will show both the previous version as well as the updated version of that file. Click on the file name of whichever version you would like to review. If you would like to upgrade your plan from Essential to the Validated or Platinum plan, or if you have any questions, please reach out to your Customer Success Manager, Account Manager, or support@scinote.net.